Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will share with you how I created these two mini cards and the coordinating envelope as well. So you can see I used a new die called mini envelope die from Trinity, and I just cut it out of some teal or blue teal paper, and then I creased the already existing lines here, so I had my envelope all ready to go. And then I will take some strong adhesive to the sides of my envelope here. I just took some glue and then pressed it into place until it was ready to let go. I usually find that it's easier to use double-sided tape, but I have a habit just taking whatever adhesive I have nearest to me on the desk. So for today I used Trinity's liquid glue, and it worked out really nice. And for my notes inside of my envelopes, I used these two mini stamp sets, also from Trinity's latest release. And this one is called Tweeting Hearts and Sucker for You. And I just think these are adorable and perfect to fit inside of these small cards. So I will stamp them out here using my Misty, and then I will actually ending up coloring them off screen just to save some time. You can see I'm running my hands along the stamp. That is just to remove any extra plastic that might have been, or the residues that might be left on the stamps. Since these are brand new and I haven't used them before, it's always good to prep your stamps really good before using them the first time. Another way to do that could be to use an adhesive and then just clean your stamp. I like to stamp them out, make sure that they are nice and crisp, and if I don't get a perfect impression the first time I'm doing it, I will spend some time cleaning my stamps and making sure that I don't have any air bubbles underneath my stamp in my Misty. So that is just a couple of tips, and here you can see how they look, and I cut them out with the coordinating dies and raised them up with some adhesive. You can see they follow me up here, and I will drop stuff. I'm a messy crafter, but I really enjoy creating cards like these that comes together super nicely. And for the outside part of my envelopes here, I took one of the stamps from the Sucker for You stamp set, and I will stamp it on the back side or on the front side, I don't know what we should call it, in coordinating color. So for the blue here, I stamped it out in a darker blue color. I just used my Misty and double stamped it a couple of times. These are also brand new stamps, so I haven't stamped these before. And I did the same thing in a light pink or corally shade for my next envelope here. So I just think that gives another fun detail to our project here. And I also used, you can see the black and white like the card note itself. It also comes with that envelope die, and it has a little border around. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's significant for Trinity. They have this sort of edging, and I think that just gives our mini cards here a finished look. And I just embellish it with some embellishment that also comes in Trinity's shop. There was some iridescent like candy here and some stars. So here are our mini notes, and I just tied a ribbon around them. You probably can find something fancier. I just wanted something sweet to hold them in place. You can also glue them together if you like, but I was wanting to be able to open them, and I think these would be perfect Valentine's notes to give to somebody. So I hope you like this video, and I will leave links down below for the products that I use in this video. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!